Got it?
Oh,
It was 2.5.
I'm ready. You ain't gonna catch it.
Jesus Christ.
Come a little closer, baby.
Hey, check this fish out.
Get it off. Oh, dumb. Oh, that was so dumb.
Look, it's Finn. It's Finn.
Okay,
Caught
but
him.
get it off.
Get
Get
out
it
of here.
off. Pull that way, that way.
I don't know if we should.
Yeah, do it, do it.
Are you sure?
Yes. That's not a bad idea.
I know.
Wait for me. I got one. Yeah, there's.
ya yo sabía, ya yo sabía.
Otro.
Ya yo sabía, mi amor. Te veo por ahí.
Apapun pekerjaannya, cuma satu betul.
Just got to send it straight as you can.
Check the slide. Oh my days. Seth, are you alright, mate?
You can have my
Oh, he's fell in. He's fell in. He's fucking. He's fell in. He's fucking fell in. Dude, great white just had my line. It came up right to my boat twice. Oh, dude, it looked like it was big around as a VW bug. Holy. Dude, there it is! There it is!
12 feet long and it weighs about 1,000 pounds easy. Hold it. Dude, we need...
There he is. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna follow you, okay?
That's a bull shark too.
That is a big shark.
He's got something.
Something chasing him. Yeah, another shark.
Oh, look at the shark, Charlie! Look at that shark! Holy Pardon my language, but
Oh, fuck, he's right there. He's coming for it, bro.
Get the net.
Fuck the net.
This is why we need a gun, bro. Shoot.
We need a gun, cunt.
Wait, I'm videoing, wait.
Oh my gosh!
Wait.
You guys be careful, breathe.
Don't get in there. It's gone, watch out. Watch out.
Wait, I didn't get it.
It's a catfish. Holy smokes! You gotta be kidding me, man.
It's a fish! Look at that!
Whoa, daddy! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. No! Oh my god!
Good job, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
We'll lift the net up.
Did not videotape that.
Oh my gosh! That is the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life!
Take it.
What are you doing? I have to get to the camera.
Playing control there. Don't let it go.
I got it, David! I'm gonna reel it in!
Yeah, don't get your shirt caught.
Oh, no.
Get him in the water.
Give it! Give it! And I got a big, no big Bertha!
Oh, you got a shark! Look at the shark you got! Look at the size of this shark! Leave him right there! Look at that shark! Leave him down there!
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Oh, he's a heavy one. I got a shark. I got a shark. Oh my gosh, I got a keeper! Look how big it is! Oh my gosh, don't let him fall back in the water.
Got that on film.
Oh my god!
Look at the fish! Oh, that's the fish. Fisherman James.
No, Lily, no.
You didn't catch a picture, did you? What did you say? We never got to catch a fish.
Who is alive?
Who is alive?
Well, yes, he's alive.
There's a fish in your shoe? I see it.
This is bigger than my 12, way bigger.
That thing's giant.
This is like 17 fish tacos.
Oh, he's getting it. He got it. Oh, he got it. See, there's a fish on it still.
What'd you catch, Bo? Are you bringing that home and eating it? Hell no. I got it.
Say it's a big fish!
It's a big. You gotta buy it, Gene. You got it. You got it.
King of, whoa. King of the Muskies.
You wanna take a picture instead? So this is Daddy's, and then the other one in there.
Well, no, you reeled that one in too, didn't you?
Oh yeah, but it's still yours.
Give him a kiss. No, literally, you gotta give him a kiss.
Kiss him.